In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, dear students, all of you. I hope all of you will be fine and doing preparation for final exams. Today we will start class 9th, subject maths, unit number 1, matrices and determinants, exercise 1.6, question number 3. But before starting this lecture, first of all, subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos with your friends, especially among the students of 9th and 10th class. Subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon and click on all option so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So let's see, we will start exercise 1.6, question number 3. Let's see question number 3. Two sides of a rectangle differ by 3.5 centimeter. First of all, let's see, we are talking about rectangle. So differ means difference by 3.5 centimeter. Find the dimension. Dimension means sides of rectangle. What will be here? Length and breadth. So that is known as two dimension side if its perimeter is 67 centimeter. So let's see, that is the rectangle having four sides, but four sides not equal. Opposite two sides are equal. So its perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So that is the formula of perimeter. So let's see, we will start the solution of this part. So two sides. First of all, we will start the solution. Let first side what will be here? Length. So length equals to x and breadth is the second side. So breadth equals to y. So two sides x and y mentioned here differ by. Differ means दोनों का difference. The difference of both sides is 3.5 centimeter. That is the equation number 1. Now second equation, how you can get here? Check that. Perimeter of rectangle is mentioned here. So write the formula of perimeter. Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. That is the formula of perimeter. So write its value 67 centimeter and 2 and length here x and breadth here y. So 2 is multiplying here. Shift on other side, then it become divisible. So x plus y equals to, so you have to divide 33.5 centimeter. आप कैलकुलेटर से चेक कर सकते हैं. Now you have to arrange the equation. X plus y equals to 33.5 centimeter. So that is the equation number 2. You have to get first and second equation. So first of all, you have to write in matrix form. In matrix form, you have to write the coefficient of x. X having one coefficient, so write here. Y also having, write one coefficient, and here also x 1 and y 1. So you have to write here coefficients. So now what you have to find out here? X and y. So next equals to 3.5 centimeter and 33.5 centimeter. That is the matrix B. So named as A, that is x, and B. So first of all, you have to apply here inversion method. In this lecture we will learn how we can apply here inversion method. बच्चों को ये मुश्किल लगता है ये वाला मेथड, लेकिन ये मुश्किल नहीं है. ठीक है. Named as A matrix, capital X and B matrix. So we are going to find the value of x. So A shift on other side. So A inverse, it becomes A inverse into B. Into मतलब multiply. So first of all, you have to write here formula of A inverse. Its formula is 1 by A determinant into adjoint A. So first of all, we will see that what is determinant here. So A mod, its other name is mod, and our determinant, you can say that. So determinant here, first of all, you can write matrices in determinant form 1 1 minus 1 and 1. So you know that here first, that is first entry, second, third and fourth. First entry multiply by fourth entry. So 1 multiply by 1, and in determinant sign of minus is used here. So 1 multiply by minus 1. Second entry multiply by third. So its determinant is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. It means it is not equals to 0. So it is a non-singular matrix. It means further steps you can be apply here. So you are going to find out here adjoint. Adjoint, how you can find? You have to replace first with fourth entry. आप फर्स्ट और फोर्थ एंट्री की जगह चेंज करते हैं and change the sign of second and third entry, that is the adjoint. सो 1 and 1, चूँकि ये ऑलरेडी 1 1 है, 1 and -1, that is the adjoint. So you have to find the value here. Now you have to put the values in formula of A inverse. So 1 by 2 and adjoint here 1 minus 1, 1 and 1. So now that is known as equation number 2 and that is known as equation number 1. इसको आप नेम ना दें, रहने दें इसको, ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. So you have to put this value in A inverse formula. ठीक हो गया. Now put this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1. So x equals to A inverse. Write the value of A inverse. 1 minus 1, 1 1. मैं इसे यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर सकती थी लेकिन वो डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाना था. ठीक है. Now write the matrix of B. 3.5 and 33.5. So you will multiply here row multiply by column. That is the first row multiply by first column and first entry multiply by first entry. So first entry multiply by first entry. Now that is first row multiply by first column, first entry multiply by first. So you can write here 1 multiply by 3.5. Sign of plus is used here when you will row multiply by column. Then second entry 1 multiply by second entry, first 1 multiply by 33.5. Now second entry, now you will use here second row multiply by first column, same first entry multiply by first, minus 1 multiply by 3.5 and 1 multiply by 33.5. So it becomes 3.5 plus 33.5. So minus 3.5 plus 33.5. So you will add them, then it becomes 37. Now you will subtract, then it becomes 30. So you have to divide by 2 each entry. So 37 divided by 2 and 30 divided by 2. So its answer equals to 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, 18.5 and 30 divided by 2 equals to 15. So you can write answer x equals to 18.5 centimeter and y equals to 15 centimeter. That is the answer. Now same question you have to use for Cramer rule. So Cramer rule, so first of all you have to write here A matrix and B matrix here. Just A and B matrix was used here. So A matrix here 1 minus 1, 1 and 1 and B matrix here, ये प्रीवियस पेज पे था, आपके आसानी के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिख लिया है ताकि मुझे पेज ना पलटना पड़े. ठीक है. 33.5. So you are going to apply here Cramer rule. Cramer rule is different from inversion method. Cramer rule, so first of all you have to take A mod, then write the value in A mod 1 1 minus 1 1 and then AX mod. So AX mod means you have to replace B matrix with X values. So you can write here 3.5, 33.5 and Y's entries, Y's coefficient written as it is, that is AX mod. Now you will write here AY mod. So it means, sorry, mod will used here. So it means B matrix replaced with second coefficient Y. That is the coefficient of X, that is the coefficient of Y. So you can write here 1 1 as it is and here 3.5 and 33.5. So you have to write in mod form. So you have to find out here determinant. So let's see A determinant equals to, मुझे अब दोबारा यहाँ पे भी लिखना पड़ेगा, पेज दूसरी साइड पे चला गया. सो फर्स्ट एंट्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय फोर्थ एंट्री, देन सेकेंड एंट्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय थर्ड एंट्री, minus 1 multiply by 1. So it becomes 1 plus 1 equals to 2. It means, sorry, it equals to 2, it means it is, ये equals to आ जाएगा, it means not equals to 0. So it is a non-singular matrix. Now we are going to find out here AX mod अब ए एक्स की भी वैल्यू मुझे दोबारा यहाँ पर राइट करनी पड़ेगी, 33.5 माइनस 1 एंड 1, ठीक हो गया। सो सेम फर्स्ट एंट्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय फोर्थ, 3.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 33.5, so 3.5 plus 33.5, so it will be equals to, I think, 37. So that is the ax mod. Now you are going to find the value of x. Its formula is ax mod divided by a mod. So ax mod here 37 and a mod is 2, so its answer is 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, 18.5 centimeter. Now y, now you have to find out here ay mod. So मुझे ay mod की भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे दोबारा लिखनी पड़ेगी, 3.5 33.5 mod, ठीक हो गया ये। नाउ फर्स्ट एंट्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय फोर्थ एंट्री माइनस सेकेंड एंट्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय थर्ड एंट्री, सो 33.5 minus 3.5, it will be equals to 30. Now you have to find the value of y, so its formula is ay mod divided by a mod. So write its values, 30 divided by 2 equals to 15 centimeter. So you have to find out the value of x and y, and observe that when you will apply here inversion method, you have to get the same answer. So remember one thing, if method is mentioned then it is compulsory that you have to apply the required method. लेकिन अगर इसके अलावा आप कोई और मेथड अप्लाई कर देते हैं तो इट विल बी रॉन्ग। जो पूछा जाए, जो मेथड कहा जाए, वही आपने अप्लाई करना है। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड about inversion and Cramer rule and question number 3, and also you have understand about the making equations from the word problem. So Allah Hafiz to all of you.